I'm Mike Shank, co-owner of Meyer Shank Racing in the IndyCar World Series. Today we're sitting inside our 45-foot American Coach mobile office that we use at every IndyCar race on the schedule in 2026. The cool thing about this is that this unit was designed by myself and my group to house our upper management and media people for the weekend. So we've created this environment that we can do business with right next door to the team the whole time in real time, which keeps us right in the action. Here you can see the front living area that we conduct a lot of meetings in here. We kept the kitchen pretty much as the standard floor, one of the standard floor plans for American Dream, which we needed and wanted. And as we moved toward the back, we left the half bathroom here and the sink just as per the plan. But when we come into what would have been the master bedroom, we've now made it a very small but comfortable conference room. We use this all the time when we need privacy. When we transfer all the way to the back here, which would have been the master's bath, we have made it into an office for my team managers and my driver coaches during the weekend. Again, just taking off-the-shelf floor plans, modifying them a little bit for our needs. And by the way, we even kept a washer dryer because we have dirty clothes all weekend. So one of the purposes of this unit is to entertain our clients or our potential clients, our sponsors in race speak. So this front area really allows us to have a very comfortable place that I'm very proud of. It's very clean, very nice, it's bright when we need it to be, and it can be toned down when that needs to happen also.